Welcome to our ASUS Motherboard Showdown. Today, we will dive deep into the features and specifications of two popular micro ATX motherboards from ASUS, the Prime B450MA2 and the Prime B550MA Wi-Fi 2. We'll compare their performance, connectivity options, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The ASUS Prime B450MA2 features the older B450 chipset, which supports a wide range of Ryzen processors but lacks the latest advancements. In contrast, the B550MA Wi-Fi 2 utilizes the newer B550 chipset, offering PCIe 4.0 support for faster data transfer rates and improved overall performance. This makes the B550MA Wi-Fi 2 a more future-proof option for gamers and PC builders looking to maximize their system's capabilities. One of the significant differences between these two motherboards is the Wi-Fi capability. The Prime B450MA2 does not come with built-in Wi-Fi, which means you'll need an additional card for wireless connectivity. On the other hand, the Prime B550MA Wi-Fi 2 features built-in Wi-Fi 6, providing faster wireless speeds and improved performance in crowded environments. This makes it a more convenient choice for users who prefer a wireless setup. When it comes to storage options, the Prime B450MA2 is equipped with a single M.2 slot, which may limit your upgrade potential. In contrast, the Prime B550MA Wi-Fi 2 offers dual M.2 slots, with one supporting PCIe 4.0x4, allowing for faster NVMe drives and more storage options. This feature is particularly beneficial for gamers and content creators who require high-speed storage solutions. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B450MA2 and the ASUS Prime B550MA Wi-Fi 2 have their strengths and weaknesses. The B450MA2 is a budget-friendly option with solid features, while the B550MA Wi-Fi 2 offers advanced capabilities and future-proofing with its newer chipset and built-in Wi-Fi. Depending on your needs and budget, either motherboard could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.